We're going to start this section by talking about comparison operators. We use these operators to compare primitive values. For example, are x and y equal or not? So I'm going to declare two integers, x and y. Now let's compare this to see if they're equal or not. So first, I'm going to add this print line statement. Now to compare these variables, we type x equals y. So here we have two equal signs, and this is the equality operator. Don't confuse this with the single equal sign that we use for assignment. That is the operator used over here, okay? So two equal signs represents the equality operator. Now when we run this program, we get true because these values are equal. This expression that we have here is called a Boolean expression. So earlier I told you that an expression is a piece of code that produces a value. This piece of code produces a Boolean value, true or false. That's why we refer to it as a Boolean expression. We also have the inequality operator. So when we run this program, we're going to see false. Let's take a look. We get false because these two variables are equal. So the expression x is not equal to y returns false. We also have greater than or equal to, less than, and less than or equal to. So if I change y to 2, this expression is going to evaluate to true because x is less than or equal to y. Take a look. There you go. Next, we're going to talk about logical operators.